So it's gonna be a good day. I feel like the weather is going to be good this weekend. I feel like I have like semi plans kind of already set for the weekend. I know my friend has her birthday dinner tomorrow, like around 7. I don't have any plans during the day. And then Sunday, we may have plans. But we're gonna go with the flow and we're gonna have a good day today. Today's Friday. I wanna go to the thrift store. Well, first I want to wash my car, vacuum clean it. I want to hit the thrift store up and just try to find like little pieces. I feel like fall collection, I have a good rotation. There's just certain items that I would like to have. I'm about to do my hair really quick and then we'll try to boogie woogie and get this day started. This is an old silk press right now. So of course we're going in with the chi, add a little shine to it. Last night, I went to Target with hubby, and we went to Walmart. Walmart, y'all, has been coming up. Maybe we'll go there too. We'll see. But Walmart has been coming up with the fall fashion as far as like for the female clothing. I got these really cute sweatpants, and they were actually on sale. I think they were like $21.99, and they were on sale for like $7. I'm like, whew, we love a good sale. But yeah, that was last night, and that really made me happy to find that. I don't know if you guys are into reading. I feel like school and stuff, I have not been able to really indulge in as far as like a good book collection at the moment. All I have is like all my Christian books. I don't really have actual books, and I kind of want to get into reading. So yeah, I got a cutesy little book and I'll show later on in the video. And of course, it's like a fall theme book, but it's like romance. Like I like cringy romance kind of style books. And obviously the summer I turned pretty, I feel like has really opened wanting to read. So, and I know sometimes thrift stores have books too. But sometimes, like, I don't know. It's like, I tell me, is that kind of spooky to buy a book from the thrift store? That's kind of like buying a stuffed animal. I don't know. I just feel like people really treasure those kind of items. But it's like, I buy clothes from there. So, I don't know. If I usually have that good discernment. If something comes over me, like, don't get, or I get like a weird, I don't know, vibe from an item, I won't buy it. And please tell me I'm not the only one that's like that. But like if it seemed like a little off or just from how it looked, I'm sorry. I'll be like, oh no, I ain't taking this to my house. But yeah, I'm excited for today. We love a light. I don't know, for me, it lasts longer than I use both. I will use a lip pencil. A good blush. I probably have blush blindness. Like I don't know that it's probably too much on me, but that's okay. Until someone tells me, I'm gonna keep doing it. But no, all jokes aside, yeah, I just like blush powder so much. I really do. And this is the color that I like to use. I don't really use like any bright red pink. I'm more of like a bronzy peach. I don't even know what color that is. It's from like a regular beauty supply store. It's not like a real expensive. I actually broke the top off. But yeah, just add a very little bit. And then I just go in with like a beauty blender. And then I take a really like wide, like big blush brush and I go. Also, I don't know if you guys have like a seasonal spray you go for when different seasons change, but right now I am using the Whipped Almond by Mix Bar. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it smells so good. So good. I love it so much. You get it from Target, and I just love it so much. And I also go in with the nude sugar. This is the brand. My mom actually gave me this, and it's so cute, and it smells so good. It's a body buttercream, and it's really like a little bit goes a long way. Like it takes a minute for it to blend in. And I would kind of say, I can't even say it's like the same as the Solo Gennaro, because this I would consider a little bit more in the thinner side. This is actually really thick and it smells so good. It smells like a oatmeal. If you like oatmeal, cinnamon, maple scents, this is the kind of, as you can see, I've been really using it. But if you go in with this, free game, y'all. Go in with this, put it in your arms, your legs. You don't need a whole lot. And then go in with the whipped almond. Fall. My husband, he loves it. When I go out in public, people ask me what I have on. And sometimes if you really want to bedazzle, you can go in with I like to go in with the Billie Eilish scent. It's more of a deeper scent, the Billie Eilish, compared to this. But I would use this like going out to dinner. Like tomorrow I'll probably use this with this, you know. Just try to keep it classy, cutesy, simple, but also gives you that fall warm scent. Okay, free game also. I don't know if you ever get in those moods like just wanting a light brunch, because this is brunch time, baby. It's 11:39. 1 second. No.
No?
No, thank you.
16, 15 is the I'm going to just read it back to you real quick. You got an acorn nugget, a kale crunch salad, and then you got a cookie parfait.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me scan that for you. Any condiments with any of this?
Polynesian.
I just put
So pretty. Thank you.
Yeah, you so pretty. Alrighty. All right, 16, 15 is the total.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Right, you have a good one.
You too. Okay. Y'all, before the interactions at Chick-fil-A, I'm saying, so usually sometimes like, between, if I miss breakfast time and then we're going into lunch, I try to eat like light. I don't know why. Because always in my head I want to eat like a lot. But I don't know. Y'all let me know if this is considered a lot. So I got me the kale crunch salads. And I got me a cookie fruit parfait. I mentioned that in one of my other videos. And then I also got me a 8-count chicken nugget. So, yes. And I'm so mad. They didn't add no sauce. But thankfully, the kale crunch kind of has sauce already like in it. Like you don't need extra dressing. So I take my kale crunch salad, you guys. And I just add the chicken nuggets. Bro, shut up. I don't have a fork. Y'all, I cannot. Okay. It's okay. So I will just be literally having to scoop and eat this like this. It's okay. We have napkins. We have hand sanitizer. And that's probably why I didn't need sauce. See, you got to change the mindset. Because why did I not? I should have looked in the bag to see if they had any spoon or fork. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to eat that parfait, but still. Hey you guys, literally I came home and currently I am babysitting my in-laws dog right now while they're out of town, and I was just so excited to put the Halloween costumes that I got them from the thrift store. Oh my gosh, I was so happy. So yeah, and then I fell asleep after all the happy shenanigans. I'm gonna insert photos here. They were so cute. But yeah, I just got out the shower. You guys, I did not get my car washed today. But I like to have a clean car. I don't know. And I was trying to have a clean car going out a little ways. So that is something I'm going to do early in the morning.
Hey yo, Jeff, I can feel the pain in this one.
Hey you guys, okay. New location in the morning started off a little rough. I'm gonna be completely transparent, but I'm here with my wonderful husband and we are about to go to, what is it called?
The Halloween Festival.
The Halloween Festival. And we're gonna have a good time. I'm excited to try some food and just see pumpkins. And it is a lot of people, but he said that it was free, so I definitely understand, but the parking cost. Okay, we've got a pulled chicken and coleslaw and fries, and then some Philly egg rolls and fries. Okay, you guys, I just got done getting dressed. I'm about to go to my friend's birthday dinner. I'm gonna give you guys a quick outfit. I'm wearing this cute little mid dress, and it kind of comes over on the shoulder with my little cross necklace, my little earring. See you guys when I get there.
I pick up a shit from my